ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरा वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 12, Text number 12. ततः सर्वगुणोदर्के सानुकूल ग्रहोदये जज्ञे वंशधर पांडोर भूय पांडुर इव ओजसा। ततः thereupon सर्व all गुण good signs उदरके having gradually evolved स अनुकूल all favorable ग्रहोदये Constellation of stellar influence.
Constellation of stellar influence.
Jagge
Jagge
took birth.
took birth.
Vamshadaraha
Vanshadhara
heir apparent.
heir apparent.
Pando
Pando
of Pandu.
of Pandu.
Bhuya
Surya
being.
being.
Pandu eva
Pandu eva
exactly like Pandu.
exactly like Pandu.
Ojasa
Ojasa
by prowess.
by flowers.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
Thereupon, when all the good signs of the zodiac gradually evolved, the heir apparent of Pandu would be exactly like him in prowess took birth. Please repeat. Thereupon, when all the good signs
When all the good signs
of the zodiac
of the zodiac
gradually evolved,
gradually involve
the heir apparent of Pandu,
the heir apparent of Pandu,
who would be exactly like him
who is exactly like him
in prowess,
in prowess,
took birth.
took birth.
Purport. Astronomical calculations of stellar influence upon a living being are not suppositions but are factual as confirmed in Srimad Bhagavatam. Every living being is controlled by the laws of nature at every minute, just as a citizen is controlled by the influence of the state. The state laws are grossly observed, but the laws of material nature, being subtle to our gross understanding, cannot be experienced grossly. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita 3.9, every action of life produces another reaction which is binding upon us, and only those who are acting on behalf of Yajna, Vishnu, are not bound by reactions. Our actions are judged by the higher authorities, the agents of the Lord, and thus we are awarded bodies according to our activities. The law of nature is so subtle that every part of our body is influenced by the respective stars, and a living being obtains his working body to fulfill his terms of imprisonment by the manipulation of such astronomical influence. A man's destiny is therefore ascertained by the birth time constellation of stars, and a factual horoscope is made by a learned astrologer. It is a great science, and misuse of science does not make it useless. Maharaj Parikshit or even the personality of Godhead appear in certain constellations of good stars, and thus the influence is exerted upon the body thus born at an auspicious moment. The most auspicious constellation of stars take place during the appearance of the Lord in this material world, and it is specially called Jayanti, a word not to be abused for any other purposes. Maharaj Parikshit was not only a great Kshatriya emperor, but also a great devotee of the Lord. Thus he cannot take his birth at any inauspicious moment. As a proper place and time is selected to receive a respectable personage, so also to receive such a personality as Maharaj Parikshit, who was especially cared for by the Supreme Lord, a suitable moment is chosen when all good stars assemble together to exert their influence upon the king. Thus he took his birth just to be known as the great hero of Srimad Bhagavatam. This suitable arrangement of astral influences is never a creation of man's will, but is the arrangement of the superior management of the agency of the Supreme Lord. Of course, the arrangement is made according to the good or bad deeds of the living being. Herein lies the importance of pious acts performed by the living being. Only by pious acts can one be allowed to get good wealth, good education, and beautiful features. The samskaras of the school of Sanatana Dharma, man's eternal management, are highly suitable for creating an atmosphere for taking advantage of good stellar influences, and therefore Garbhadhana Samskara, or the first seeding purificatory process, prescribed for the higher caste is the beginning of all pious acts to receive a good, pious, and intelligent class of men in human society. There will be peace and prosperity in the world due to good and sane population only. There is hell and disturbance only because of the unwanted, insane populace addicted to sex indulgence. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jaya Pataka Swamin Iti Namine. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Desha Tarine. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Tata Sarva Gunodarke Sanukula Grahodaya Jagge Vamshadhara Pandur Bhuya Pandur Ivojasa. Thereupon, when all the good signs of the zodiac gradually evolved, the heir apparent of Pandu, who would be exactly like him in prowess, took birth. So now we see that Parikshit Maharaj has taken birth at a very auspicious moment when all the stars, all the planets, all the grahas, grahodaye, they're all sa-anukula, very favorable. So he took birth Jagge, and he is Vamshadhara, Generally the son is supposed to be the Vamshadhara. He carries your dynasty further. That's why it's called Vamshadhara. So here we see, because everybody else is dead, and the son of Uttara, was wife of Abhimanyu, the son of the Pandavas, is the grandson. All others are gone. So he is the Vamshadhara. The Vamsha will continue only because of him. So here, Srila Prabhupada certifies, a lot of time people ask me this question, is astrology good, bad? Prabhupada says that it's a science. And we know that it's a science. If somebody misuses the science is not wrong. The problem in astrology is that they are not good astrologers. Most of them today, if you see, are after money. They make big money. On TV, there are a couple of them who are advertising every day, every hour almost, in every single channel. And that costs a lot of money. So they must be making much more to be able to, advertise like that. So this is become a business. But earlier, when the child is born, a Pandita, he doesn't require any calculator or computer. Just on his fingers he will calculate and he will make a chart. And that chart will tell you what is which star is, which planet is in which house. It's divided into 12 houses, and all that science is there. So astrology is like a medical report. When you go to a doctor and he say, "Oh, you have some medicine," he said, "Do some tests," and then you get a report. This is blood. This is a blood count and all that. How much is iron? So same way, it's like a pathological report that tells you which star is affecting which part of the body. and how you should take care. One friend of ours, he told very nicely that astrology is like the astrologer tells the person who goes to him, tomorrow it is going to rain. That's what he will tell you. Now, buying an umbrella is up to the individual. When the astrologer says, don't travel on such and such day, there may be, some problem. So, it's up to the individual to decide what he wants to do. Whether he wants to buy the umbrella or he wants to get wet. So, it's like that. And most of the personalities, the great personalities, if you study their horoscope, you will find that the stars were like that, When Krishna's horoscope was seen, the Garga Muni told everything, that he will be like this, he will be like this, he is the personality of Godhead, everything, like that. In case of Srila Prabhupada, also, he was born the next day of Janmashtami, so he is almost under similar stars, and his horoscope is also very, very powerful. In fact, the same person who told this, he was a sort of a devotee, but he was not committed. Like, he did not want to take initiation and so on. And the devotee who was preaching to him, he will always say that, why don't you take initiation? Now you are chanting, you are doing everything. And he said, no, why should I take initiation? I'm okay. I'm a Jain. I'm a non-vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian. I don't kill anybody. So, I'm good. Then one day, this devotee gave him he himself asked, in fact. He says he asked about Prabhupada's time of birth and everything. And luckily, Prabhupada's horoscope was there, and the timing and all was noted, because in astrology the most important thing is to note the exact time, otherwise everything can be all over. So, when he studied that horoscope, he saw that, he says, wow, I must follow this person. Why? Because he says, the horoscope says that this person cannot make a mistake. Whatever he is going to do will be perfect. So why not follow somebody who is perfect rather than follow somebody who is not perfect? That was his logic, which was a correct logic. The same way, here we see that Parikshit Maharaj is also born in a very Anukula Grahodaya. So we should not reject something, but at the same time we should not, go to an astrologer for every single thing. It just gives a broader outline, some perspective, some help, some precautions. Astrologer can tell you that you will get some land. It's there in your, but what you do with the land is up to us. You may get a land, and somebody may make a casino, somebody may make a temple, somebody make a library, anything we can do. So same way what happens, the life has been given, these favorable things are given to us, or unfavorable. Unfavorable things, take precaution. Favorable things, use them properly. So this way, now we will see when we read Parikshit Maharaj's horoscope, then it is like amazing, how many qualities one can have. So, I'd like to stop here. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. हाँ जी माता जी, हरे कृष्ण।